Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Multi-Agent Systems. AI teams working together. Have you ever seen a sports team work together to win a game? Each player has a role. They communicate, and they coordinate. Imagine if AI could do the same. That's exactly what multi-agent systems, MAS, are all about. Instead of one super smart eye trying to do everything, we have a group of smaller, focused eyes working together like a well-oiled team to solve bigger problems. Think of it like a project team at your job, different people with different skills, all contributing to one big goal. At its core, a multi-agent system is a collection of independent AI programs, called agents, that interact with each other in their environment to achieve a common objective. Each agent is an AI program designed to do specific tasks, make decisions based on what it perceives, and communicate with others. As a developer, you wouldn't just build one complex brain. You'd build several simpler, specialized brains and teach them how to collaborate. Why bother with a team when one powerful AI might seem simpler? Because some problems are too big, too complex, or too dynamic for a single AI to handle efficiently. Multi-agent systems offer 1. Specialization. Each agent can master a specific task. 2. Robustness. If one agent fails, others can often pick up the slack. 3. Flexibility. The system can adapt to changing situations more easily. Just like you wouldn't ask one person to build a skyscraper, you wouldn't ask one AI to manage an entire smart city. Every MAS has 3 key components you, as a developer, will design. 1. Agents. These are the individual AI programs. Each has its own goals, rules, and ability to perceive its surroundings and act upon them. You define their personality and capabilities. 2. Environment. This is the world where the agents live and interact. It could be a virtual space, like a game map, or a physical one, like a factory floor. Agents perceive changes here and act within it. 3. Communication. This is how agents talk to each other. They share information, request help, or coordinate actions. This is crucial for teamwork. Just like a human team, agents in an MAS can have different roles and levels of sophistication. Some agents might be very simple, following a few basic rules, e.g., a worker bee agent. Others might be complex, capable of planning, learning, and negotiating, e.g., a team leader agent. As a developer, you'll design these roles, define what each agent can see, think, and do, based on its contribution to the overall goal. Effective communication is the glue that holds an AI team together. Agents can communicate in many ways. Direct messaging, sending specific information to another agent. Shared memory, Blackboard, posting information to a central database that all agents can read and write to. Observing the environment. One agent's actions might change the environment, which another agent then perceives and reacts to. As a developer, you'll implement these communication protocols, essentially defining the language and rules of conversation for your AI team. Multi-agent systems aren't just theoretical, they're already powering real-world applications. Traffic management. Individual agents controlling traffic lights, monitoring vehicle flow, and guiding autonomous cars to minimize congestion. Game AI. Different AI characters in video games. Enemies, allies, NPCs, working together or against each other to create dynamic and engaging experiences. Supply chain and logistics. Agents managing inventory, ordering, delivery routes, and even robot movements in warehouses to optimize efficiency. Robotics and drones. Swarms of drones coordinating for search and rescue, mapping, or surveillance missions. So, how do you start building one? As a developer, 1. Define the goal. What problem do you want the MOS to solve? 2. Identify agent roles. Break down the problem into tasks that individual agents can handle. 3. Design agent behaviors. Program each agent's rules, perceptions, and actions. 4. Establish communication. Decide how agents will talk and share information. 5. Simulate and test. Run your MOS in a simulated environment to see how your AI team performs and refine their interactions. It's about orchestrating a group of smart entities, rather than building one super smart entity. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.